Hi, this is Marty McCartney with Alleguard. We're here at the Toronto Builders Show, and we're showcasing our innovative insulation building solutions. Here at the booth, we have the AmDeck ICF solutions. We have the AmDeck Eco, the AmDeck Pro. We have the several board products. We also have the PEX panels, which is the in-floor heating panels, and we have the new AmBuck product. AmBuck offers stable, strong thermal resistance that surpasses typical wood bucks and vinyl systems. One of the biggest benefits of working with Alleguard is the fact that we supply everything you need from the basement to the roof. Some of the best benefits are the sustainability, the lightweight of the product, the R values attained by using the products, and the overall comfort of the building. And then not to mention the actual ease of assembly. Compared to conventional building systems, Alleguard ICF homes are stronger, more durable, and more energy efficient. If you're ready to start building smarter, stronger, and greener, contact Alleguard today.
Alleguard, protective foam solutions.